teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace. I can't stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. There's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace. I can't stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Thanks to you for teaching me how to live, putting things in perspective, showing me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am making with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
Kung ito man ang huling awiting aawitin, nais kong malaman mong ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sambiting, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kitang lumuha, dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi, dahil iyong narinig mula sa labig ko. Salamat, salamat, sana iyong marinig tibok ng damdamin. Ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin, ang awitin ko'y iyong dinggin. At kung marinig ang panalangin, lagi kang naroroon, humihiling ng pagkakataon. Sabi ko sa'yo ng harapan.